In this video, I'm going to create a YouTube short with this here part of this video right here. And I'm going to show you how to just break it down real simple and easy. So let's get started like right now. Hello, my good friend. How are you today? Hopefully you doing swell. We are right back off of Side Easy Solutions, and today we're covering over video.ai. And this is an AI tool that will generate your YouTube shorts like super duper fast. And also it's good for Twitter. You see the titles up at the top: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn. Yeah, that's right. So these are different videos that you can actually create. We're going to do a YouTube short. Okay. And let's upload a file here. Let me go find that specific file here. Let's see. I know it's over here in videos. Boom. Let's go over here. Yes, I got tons of videos. So I'm going to be digging through this here like for a little bit. Because this right here is super it's gonna be like I'm looking through a needle, like a needle through a haystack. But let me see if I can find that specific video. I know what I'm looking for. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it right here. Like the power of your thoughts. There it is, right there. The power of your thoughts, and it should be. It's not showing it, but I know which one it is. Let's get it going right there. Let's see here. Just 1 second. Bear with me while it starts open. Now let's start the import. Okay, and we want to do YouTube Shorts. So we're going to pick this one right here in the middle, ladies and gentlemen. So what you do, you hit that little top button and hit continue. And we're going to hit let's see, select the template for right now. Let's see, I'm gonna go look for a certain one that I want. Let's see, which one do I want? Let's no, I don't want to do that one. I don't want to do that. I don't got two people. It's only one. It's just one of me. We just got the little background. Let's do, I can always change it later. Let's just go with this one for now, but I'll show you that you can always change it later. Okay, please select 3 more templates. Okay, we'll select 3 more. Boom, boom, and let's go. Give my YouTube handle. I changed my YouTube handle, ladies and gentlemen, to Mr. Future 5000. That's right. That is right. So now you'll be able to find me, okay? If you type in Future, Mr. Future, at Mr. Future 5000. What did I say? Why do I name myself that? Because that's where I'm from. 5,000 years ago. Yeah, from the future. That's right. Let's get started. Save my preferences. Go to dashboard. Now watch it as it loads up. We'll give that a few seconds here. And we'll get right back into the video here shortly, okay? Alright, we're back off the side here, and it's finished loading. And let's go ahead and click on it, and let's get started with it. So we're going to review the clips here. See what it comes up. Let's go. Boom, cha, boom, cha, boom, cha, boom, cha. So, in other words, it only did one of my video, because that video was only like 4 minutes and 12 seconds long. But let's review the clips here. Let's preview the clip. So here's a few clips that we got here. So I could choose from, like I was telling you. And all these are all been chopped down and broke down. So what I could do is I don't can't even talk right. I don't want to upload each and every one of these videos. But what I'm going to choose is anywhere from 3 to 4 of these videos and then upload it to YouTube. So with that said, you're probably going to see maybe 1 or 2 of them uploaded, because this is a very what I want to say. It's not a very long video, but you see how it broke it down into segments, like 54 seconds on each one. Each segment is different now, ladies and gentlemen. Each one of these segments are different. But let me see which one I want to choose here for to make our short here. But and I'll just show you how to really go in and do some editing to it. Let's see. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with this plain James for right now. We'll go with this one, and we're gonna edit this video. Okay, so right here, what I'm gonna do, basically, I'm liking how to set up right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this text here. I could change the text and highlight it. As far as the text, let's go with this highlighted text, and I want to make it probably let's say red instead of blue this time, because we got a little bit. But what I'm gonna do is keep my buddy right there, my video. Let's bring it over just a little bit. I could bring it in just a little bit like so, so where they actually get a full dosage of it. But let's tell you what, this is what I'm gonna do for this video. I'm gonna bring it, just make it a little bit different. I'm gonna make it bigger like that. I'm gonna bring this up here to the top, and just like these right here, I'm gonna bring this to the top. Okay, so as it does it already do the text to speech and all that good stuff for you. So let me go ahead and press play, and let me let you listen to that real quick.
Don't do those things. It's time for you to take control of your thoughts and start believing in yourself.
Okay, now you see that this video has already been created. All I got to do now is go up here and download the video right here. As you can see, I'm going to download. I could do some more little tricks and nicks, but I'm liking it just the way it is, for the simple fact this is a YouTube short. Okay, and this is pretty much, once I download it, this is gonna almost complete this video. As you can see that this is not super duper hard. It's not, and it's very simple. I can do some more additional things, and I'm gonna add that to you and show you what all else I can do. You see this progress bar up here at the top? I could take this progress bar and I either put it at the bottom or change the color of it. Right now I'm not. Let me save this to my computer to how to unlock this like that, and that's basically what I'm gonna save it to the computer, to my computer, and I'm gonna upload that for you guys here shortly off inside YouTube. And you could go more than welcome, if you come across this video, you're more than welcome to go check out that YouTube short that I just made for this here tutorial. Now, with that said, you continue on having a glorious, blessed day. Talk to you soon. See you soon. Thank you for watching Easy Solutions. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and that notification bell. And be sure to hit all. Alright? Keep watching. Bye.